2x6. Got a gap water jug, another 2x6. Then 2 more water jugs, another 2x6, and another water jug, just in case the bullet actually makes it all the way through. Alright, 243, 100 grain. These are Winchesters. I will get the feet per second and pounds of energy when this video is actually being edited. And here we go, waterboarding test. New and improved. Alright, there we go. There's the brass, caught it in the second water jug, or the copper, and the lead innards basically exploded like they should. There's good shrapnel there. Granted, this is going through wood, but that is still good shrapnel going on. Going in the game, you know it's going to stick together a little bit better, but there you go, right there. So a little recap. Bullet went in here, going through, again, keeping trajectory through the board, through the water jug, and into the next board, which has already started losing brass and lead right there as well. Went into the second jug, and that's where we caught it. Did not exit the second jug. So there you go. That is a good hard hitter. As soon as it hits, loses power extremely fast, but still delivers a good punch as it goes through and goes through. You can see the exit hole on this side isn't as big. It slowed down dramatically, I'm assuming. But here we go. Pretty good test. That is a 243. Excellent shooting round. I like the fact that it's still holding its trajectory. And in the other jug that it went in, as you can see, still coming out. But there we go. Thanks for watching.